Welcome back to my video on the mini MPI van conversion. We're going to have to take the tank out again. You can see it's all good, but anyway, nevertheless, for safety I took the tank out. Then I was realising, where's the washer bottle go? Because there is no room. So here is the washer bottle, and that's where probably it would normally have lived, where the ECU is. So anyway, so I thought, okay, plenty of room in the back of the van. I'm not going to use it as a van. So the first job was, because I haven't got the old bracket, was to make a bracket to fit the OEM washer bottle, because it's still in good condition, and I have got the washer motor for that. Let's put it back up there. So the first thing was obviously to make a wedge shaped thing, which I've done here. I didn't show you that originally because that was very boring and very tedious, even though it was very simple to actually make those particular grooves and the wedge that it fits into. I've got some more cleaning up to do on here. I've got together, so that fits in there like that. Then it was where to mount it in here. So back again. Right, worked out where to mount it. Mounted it on here. Just done some plug welds in it, which is 1, 2 and 3. And then the bracket that I made, did another 3 in there. The only problem I found with it, when it fits, it's actually perfect. Took some time to work out where it fits. Plenty of gap there, it doesn't touch the floor there, that's coming out anyway, that's just a holding bar. So there's loads of room around it. The problem is, it does this. Vibrates. Now, I don't think that's a particular problem. The only issue being is, I bet when this is filled up with water, it'll try and vibrate and splash the water out the top, because there'll be a little breather in there. So I think what I'm going to do is just put a little tiny bracket from just there to just there, just to stop it doing that. Okay. Right, down to the last stage now. I've put that extra bracket in there now. So let's just put, where's the wash bottle? There's the wash bottle, and I'll put it back in, and look at that. Plenty of room around all the sides, it's not touching anywhere. That bolt's coming out, so there's no need to worry about that. That's an earthing strap, might cut that down a bit further. So there we go, job finished. Just clean up now, and I might put some seal seam around there, but it doesn't really need, there's a little rough edge there, I might take that off. But just to paint it up. Thank you very much.